Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite voice chat not working problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Fortnite and you just need to press in keyboard escape key and select the setting gear icon. In here you need to select the audio icon and under volume you can able to see voice chat option. You just need to make sure this has 50% or 100% over here, and you just need to scroll down. Under voice chat you just need to turn off the push to talk guys. Just change it to open mic and voice chat input device and voice chat output device. You need to select the headphone you are using and just like this. After selecting it, select apply to save changes and go back and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select the sound option. In this list, you just need to select your headphone or microphone and select set default option and you will be get the tick mark over here. And after getting it, you just need to double click on it, go to advanced tab and in default format you just need to click on it and select the highest value over here and you just need to check mark these both options and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, go to recording tab. In this recording tab you just need to select your correct headphone or microphone and select set default option and you will be get the tick mark over here. After that you just need to double click on it, go to advanced tab, click on the drop down and select the highest value and check mark these both options and select OK to save changes. Select OK. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third method guys. Third method, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the audio input and outputs. In here you just need to right click on your headphone and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting you are up to date, just to close off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.